everyone, welcome back to another episode of Editing Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to draw on Adobe Express. Adobe Express itself does not have a direct drawing tool, but you can use several methods to incorporate drawings into your project. So the first thing to do is to open up your Adobe Express application on your mobile devices, or you can also go to Adobe Express website on your computer. From the first home page of Adobe Express, click on the plus button at the bottom right corner and then select the type of graphics you want to create from the social media option, posts, flyers, etc. at the bottom of the screen. Go ahead and select the type of graphic. After you do that, you will be taken to the timeline. Now click on the plus button at the lower left again and then click on Elements. From the options, click on Shapes and use the Shape tool to add lines, circles, rectangles, and other basic shapes to your project. Choose from the available templates for shapes and select one of the options that you'd like to add on your project. Now that you've added the Shape tool, go ahead and select the shape that you've chosen and then customize its size, its colors, and position of the shape to create simple drawings or annotations. In order to change the color for your shape, click on the Fill option at the bottom left and choose the color from your color palettes. After you do that, you can also customize its border by tapping on border and selecting the border color for your shape. To add more shapes, repeat the step. Now, to add more drawings to your project, you can go ahead and keep other shapes such as lines and arrows and other miscellaneous tools. Now customize your drawings as per your requirement and you will be able to draw using Adobe Express with the help of graphics available throughout the app. So that is the only way you will be able to draw using Adobe Express in just a couple of steps. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.